Good morning, Miss Sonja here from the Collier County Public Library Headquarters Branch, and we have another edition of our virtual art program. So today we're going to make sensory bags, and these are perfect for preschoolers and toddlers and even older children. So first of all, what you're going to need is a Ziploc bag. I have a smaller one here, but you can do the big gallon size if you want. So what you're gonna need is some washable paint in some contrasting colors. So this is lots of fun with kids because they get to learn about contrasting colors. I'm gonna make this one very patriotic, so I'm gonna make it red, white, and blue. So first of all, I'm gonna squeeze. And you might wanna invert the top of your bag just a little bit so that littles can get their hands in there good. First of all, I'm going to put quite a bit of white, kind of fill up the bottom of one corner. Then I'm going to add some red. And then last, I'll add some blue. Blue is almost out. So this is going to have like a blue kind of stripe in it. All right. Then you're going to close the bag, lay it down flat, like I've done here, lay it down flat, and kind of push a little bit of the air out if you can. Seal it very tight. And just because you're working with littles, I might also suggest that you use a little bit of tape to tape up the ends. So I just pre-cut some painter's tape, but masking tape works. Or if you have some real pretty washi tape, you could use some washi tape. Just tape the end together just for safety's sake, right? So that's all taped. So then you're just gonna let your kids play. And they're gonna use their muscle coordination to pull all the colors together and mix them up. You just pull back and forth, back and forth. And they could just play with us all day long. Another fun thing to do once you get all the colors combined is they can take a little Q-tip and they can make designs and write their name. See my big S that I wrote on there? And practice making their letters. They can practice making numbers, number 1, and it's just lots of fun. So here's my completed one. I did a red, white, and blue, so there's my completed one. And you can tell we've all been playing with it quite a bit, so that's lots of fun. Then I have another idea for a sensory bag, and this one is gonna use just a little bit of hair gel. I bought this hair gel at the dollar store. You can get it at Walmart, any place that sells hair products. So again, we're going to invert the bag. And we're going to use about, because I got a big bag this time, we're going to use about 1/4 of your jar of hair gel. Just squeeze that in there. And of course, kids love doing this part too. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Quite a bit of hair gel. And this one I want to make all one color. So this one I'm going to make a real bright color green. So I'm going to add some green to that. And then just to make it extra fun, I have some really fine, pretty blue glitter. Miss Sonja loves glitter, as you know. So we're gonna put some glitter in there. And then I just had these little table decorations left over from a party I had. So they're just some, little decorations that you can put in there too. Or you can put foam in there, you can put fuzzy balls in there, just about anything you want. The little coins, you can put those in there. So we're just gonna add those. And then once again, we're gonna lay the bag flat. See, just like this, lay the bag flat. And seal the top again. And again, I pre-cut a little bit of tape just for safety. And then again, they're just gonna work all the stuff together. This one's gonna be very pretty. So you're just gonna continue to do that until it's all mixed together. This is my finished product. I made a pink and sparkly one right here. So be sure when you're finished watching this video, put your comments down below and let me know also if you made a sensory bag. Be sure to, if you have just a few moments, to go online and fill out our virtual survey about what we're doing here. We love your comments, and everybody have a great week. Bye.